Hi, this is Ananda Leeke from the Thriving Mindfully Academy, live from my Chakra Castle kitchen. You're looking at how I am planning to celebrate Savor Your Life Saturday today. So, Savor Your Life Saturday is one of the 7 weekly themes of the Thriving Mindfully Academy's recipe for self care. I am waiting for my tea kettle to get ready so I can pour myself a cup of my Mindful Monday tea blend created by my friends at Key Kratom CBD Tea. I am celebrating with some tea, which is my new Saturday practice, and reading my book Moonology by Yasmin Bolin. Savor Your Life Saturday is about celebrating the small, medium, and big wins of your life. How have you been winning this week? What are you super thrilled about in your life? For me, I'm super thrilled about the fact that I had a situation in my bathroom yesterday on Fun Day Friday, and it was an overflowing toilet, and it was incredible, y'all. Messy. I turned it into a Fun Day Friday with some loud playing music, and I just cleaned my bathroom, took a nice relaxing shower afterwards, and laid out my pedicure materials for my pedicure this evening. I am celebrating that I made it through the bathroom situation. I'm also celebrating the fact that I have had some great client wins this week, great client wins, and that I've been able to exercise and eat healthy. So, what are you celebrating today? Share in the comment section of wherever you find this video. And as always, may we continue to have more moments where we embrace thriving mindfully in everything we feel, think, say, and do. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.